Hello, Precalculus. Welcome to your Chapter 3 review for Semester 2. Just want to remind you that out of every single chapter of Semester 2, if you're taking calculus next year, this is the most important chapter. We did cover almost all of this over the e-learning days, so you might feel a little rusty, but the good news is you did see it in Algebra 2, so you had a foundation. But no more talk, let's just jump in, have some fun with these math problems here. All right, so transformations, we did the transformations in multiple chapters. So right here is the x plus 1, and so that is a horizontal shift, left 1. And then outside of our function, we have a minus 2. So that's our vertical shift, down 2. All right, still with the transformations on problem number 2. We're going to want to get reflected over the y-axis. Now I always choose a different letter for the function when we're doing the transformations. So over the y-axis means that we're going to be going up with the x. So the negative has to be with the x. But because it's a horizontal shift, left 3, that's also going in with the x, and it's going to be the opposite of that. So we had a couple things all happening upstairs there. So we had the negative for the y-axis, and then a minus 3. Actually, hold on. That means it has to be a plus 3. We have to be careful. No mistakes at this stage in the game. There we go. All right, so left would be a plus, right would be a minus, because those horizontal shifts are always backwards. All right, asymptotes on number 3. So every exponential function starts with a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. And so it's the vertical shifts that will change that asymptote. So this one's new asymptote is at y equals negative 1. All right, an x-intercept of the function. Sometimes they work out nicely, sometimes they don't. I guess let's just do it together. What the heck? Here we go. Calculator time. So we're going to use the graph. And so minus 2 parentheses 1/3 raised up to the x minus 2, then plus 3. I always start with a standard window, zoom 6. Sometimes we do have to change it, especially on those word problems. All right, so now in this graph we can see the x-intercept. Just a reminder, then we're going to go second calc and then number 2, the 0. And we have to go to the left of the answer, so that's fine. We have to go to the right of the answer, and then we can just make a guess. We'll go 3 decimal places, so the x value is approximately 1.631. And let's keep on going for a little bit. We will probably have to take some breaks to break this into small videos. All right, so here is a graph of exponential growth. So we can go ahead and check that box. Definitely not going to be there. The domain of every exponential function is all reals, so we definitely want that guy. The range, we either, choice D says above the number 4 for the y values, and choice E says below the number 4. So we're going to choose this one. We can reject that one. Awesome. I think we'll pause there. That was, not that you're keeping track, but what we just did was lesson 3-1, day 1. So that was our exponential graphs. So we'll pause. See you soon. Bye-bye.